So this video is going to be another quick one. I want to show you, in the last video that I had made, the colors were still coming over from the old design that I had based this on. And so I want to show you how to change site colors. Now, real quickly, let me remind you how this works. Jekyll takes anything that you put in the underscore data file or in the front matter section that you put in YAML. So that's a key and a value, really simple. It takes it and it creates a either page-wide or site-wide variable based on that. And so changing these things here will mean that anytime you use that variable, it will change as well. And we've made use of that in our new.scss at the very top here. Notice that we have main font import code, secondary font import code, and then if, site dot whatever there, end if. Okay, so we've made use of this here. And so let's explain how this works really quickly. Okay, so what happens is you'll notice that at the very beginning of this file, this SCSS file, we have main dark color, main light color, main bright color, and then we have these fonts. All right. The way this works is this is going to look into our design settings file, and it's going to be looking for these colors. All right. And if these colors and if these fonts are there, it's going to make those from Jekyll variables into Sass variables, and then use the Sass variables, this guy, in all of our components. Okay. And that sounds complicated, but it's really not. Basically what that does is it allows us to have this where the user can edit it on Cloud Cannon. We'll get to that later. But they can edit the colors, they can edit the fonts, and then all of the fonts and all of the colors will be updated across the site based on this YAML file, which is user editable. So we have to set that up, okay? And I've actually already gone through here and done this. Let me close this sidebar here. I've already gone through here and done this. I've set up our colors based on our design. Let me get to our design real quick. So I've gone through and I've gotten the main colors for the site, and I've added them here just in hex. So I've got those 4. And then I've gone to Google Fonts and I've added Railway as our main font. And so if we were to go into Google Fonts, I could show you how that works really quickly. So I'm going to go to fonts.google.com and I just search for Railway. Click the plus button. I'm going to choose I'm going to go to customize. I'm going to choose the ones that I want. So let's say in this case, I want italic, I want light, and I want bold. Okay. And then over here on embed, what I want is I want the @import URL. So if you click on this @import, I want this whole section here from the @ symbol to the semicolon. That gets put in here. And then for main font up there, what I want is, I don't need this font family and I don't need the semicolon because it messes up the Sass. So I just want that. So I just copy that and paste it there. And then every change should take place across our site. So that's how that works. I just wanted to show you how that works really quickly so you understand how to change settings.